All right, we are in Yellowstone National Park. I think where everybody in the whole country wants to go. And it's a huge, beautiful park, amazing landscape. You have rivers, mountains, grasslands.
Animals.
And a lot of animals.
And we came with a list and we've pretty much seen everything, even though the bear, we did see him from far, but we did see the bear.
Yeah, we saw a bear kind of wandering out in the pasture, and lots of bison, lots of elk. Seeing bear is a little bit more difficult. Wolves is very, very difficult.
Depending on the time of year you come, you want to try and get into the campgrounds in the park just to save yourself a little bit of time during the day so that you can just get out there, and you will be truly rewarded if you get up before everybody else, because then you get the park to yourself.
Yeah, go early in the day or stay late.
When we say early, what do we mean by early?
5 a.m.
5 a.m. If it's dark, that's time to get up. You want to be out there at the crack of dawn.
And the other thing, the big tip about Yellowstone is there's really only one road that goes anywhere you want to go in Yellowstone. There's not even a lot of side roads, and so there can be a lot of traffic. And we're here in June. I can't imagine what it would be like in July or August. There's so many people here already. So if you can avoid the peak season, it's probably best to, but it doesn't leave you much time outside of that. So just, you have to come with patience. There's a lot of tourists, a lot of people stopping on the road, and you might even get bison that literally walk right on the road, right next to your car, like we had today.
Yeah, which was our reward for being patient for 30 minutes sitting in roadworks. And when we say sitting, we're meaning not moving at all.
Yeah, car
and then
turned off,
bison,
construction.
They just walked straight up past us and in front of our car. It was really cool.
Smell in the car. So you get some neat experiences like that. Yellowstone National Park is definitely worth checking out.